do it like that, my nigga, that mean I'm doing good pieces, you feel me?
Post on Facebook, man. Tell them about that.
What you talking about?
The one about shaking hands with face friends and a smile and shit like that.
I go to a lot of networking events, man. Now, I just sit back and look at what's going on, man. There's so much fake shit going on, man. Niggas that you ain't never seen ever. Shaking your hand like they know you. Shaking their hand like they fuck with you for real. If they number, you don't never hear from them again. You know what I'm saying? That shit whack, bro. If you don't fuck with me, I'ma fuck with you. The industry's so fake right now, man. That's why I just sit back and drink.
Hey, take this fucking count. Take this fucking count.
Let niggas know, nigga ain't going nowhere.
Hey, take this camera, J-Law. Put that
Nigga
motherfucker on.
ain't going nowhere, man. Slim Park, man. I'm not going nowhere, man. Too much fake shit going on. Y'all need some real shit. It's Park, man. We out here, man.
Hey, man.
Show. Ain't nobody in here, but I'ma still do my show, my nigga, cause I'm a real nigga. And I'ma still do this shit tonight, man. Cause I do this shit. Straight up. You heard me?
That nigga ain't lying. It ain't nobody in this shit. But we in this motherfucker, though. Believe
Turn that
that.
bitch around. Hey, you know who it is. It's your man, Big Red Dog. Look.
Oh, you
heard
got
me?
quiet.
You bitch ass niggas better stop lying and saying that y'all from somewhere that y'all not. Nigga, I'ma expose you pussy ass niggas. I'm telling you, you heard me. Look, they used to call me the muscle nigga. I'ma flex on you, bitch. I told you. You better stop lying,
You
boy.
from Louisiana, I heard it.
All day long, up and down, nigga.
What's the next project you got going on?